Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in its class, the Viair 400P 40045 automatic tire inflator. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just looking for a reliable portable compressor, this might be the perfect match for you. Let's break down why. The Viair 400P is built for performance. Designed to handle the toughest terrains with its heavy-duty 12 volts motor and impressive 150 psi maximum pressure capability. It's not just powerful, it's also incredibly portable, fitting neatly into its own deluxe carry bag. This makes it ideal for trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, and even motorcycles and bicycles. Now, let's talk numbers. With a 33% duty cycle at 100 psi and a free flow capacity of 2.3 cfm, the 400P can inflate a 35-inch tire from 15 to 30 psi in under 3 minutes. That's efficiency you can rely on, especially when time and reliability matter most. What do you get out of the box? Well, it's more than just the inflator. Viair provides a 25-foot air hose with an inline gauge, an 8-foot power cord for easy reach, and a variety of inflation tips to cover all your needs, including a handy Presta valve adapter for bicycles. Built tough with an aluminum sand tray and a thermal overload protector, the 400P is engineered to last. It's IP54 rated, offering protection against dust and water spray from any direction, ensuring durability even in challenging environments. Using the 400P is straightforward. Just hook it up to your vehicle's battery, connect it to the tire valve, and you're ready to go. The automatic shutoff feature prevents overinflation, giving you peace of mind while inflating your tires. So, why should you consider the Viair 400P? It's not just about its robust performance and durability, it's the freedom it provides. Whether you're exploring off the beaten path or simply want a reliable inflator for everyday use, the 400P delivers. With over 25 years of experience in portable compressors, Viair has earned its reputation for quality and innovation. That wraps up our review of the Viair 400P 40045 automatic tire inflator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations.